Facebook ads have become one of the most popular and effective tools for businesses to market their products online. Regardless of the size or type of business, Facebook ads can help to reach target audiences in a cost-effective way. There are many benefits of using Facebook ads for businesses, including the ability to boost brand awareness, increase conversions, and reach specific goals. If you are still not convinced that Facebook ads are right for your business, keep watching. This video provides 11 reasons why every e-commerce business should use Facebook ads. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. 1. Promote products. Facebook ads is a powerful online marketing tool that can help boost sales for your e-commerce store. By creating a great ad and targeting it to the right audience, you can increase the chances that people will buy your product. To get started, create a visually appealing ad that includes all the relevant information about your product. Make sure to target your ad campaign to people who are likely to be interested in your product. Also, track your results so that you can see how well your ad is performing. By following these tips, you can maximize the chances of making a profit from your e-commerce store. 2. Easily reach a detailed market. If you're just getting started with using Facebook ads, you might not realize that you can target a very specific group of users. In reality, Facebook ads allows you to target users based on a wide variety of factors, including location, age, gender, interests, and behavior. This is possible because Facebook collects a lot of data on each user. In fact, the platform can collect up to 52,000 data points on each individual. This allows you to fine-tune your target audience so that you're more likely to reach your desired conversion goal. Due to the ability to target such a specific group of people, Facebook ads can be an extremely quick and effective way to reach your target audience. 3. Separate cold and warm audiences. One of the great things about online advertising is the ability to target specific audiences. And one of the most popular platforms for online advertising is Facebook. With Facebook, you can target people based on interests, demographics, and even behaviors. But did you know that you can also target your ads based on whether someone is a cold or warm audience? For those not familiar with the terms, a cold audience is someone who has never heard of your brand or interacted with your products or social media accounts. A warm audience, on the other hand, consists of people who have already seen or heard about your brand, products, or social media accounts. So why is it important to be able to target cold and warm audiences separately? Well, the marketing rule of 7 says that people need to see or hear about your ad at least 7 times before they make a purchase. So if you're only targeting cold audiences, you're going to have to reach a lot more people before you see any sales. On the other hand, if you're able to target your ads specifically to warm audiences, you're more likely to see sales because these people are already familiar with your brand. 4. Retargeting. By retargeting potential customers who have visited your store or added items to their cart, you can prompt them to complete their purchase and increase your sales. Here's how it works. Facebook keeps track of what users do on the platform and off. So, if you have a Facebook pixel installed on your e-commerce store, Facebook will track things like visits, add to carts, initiate checkouts, newsletter signups, product views, and buys. You can use all of this data to create targeted ads specifically for people who have added your product to their cart but didn't initiate checkout or purchase yet. This allows you to show a more targeted ad that might just prompt them to take the next step and complete their purchase. And since you're only targeting people who have already shown interest in your product, there's a good chance they'll be more likely to convert. 5. Get more product reviews. Facebook ads can be used to increase conversion rates for e-commerce businesses by targeting customers who have already made a purchase. These customers can be targeted with ads that ask them to leave a product review. In return for leaving a review, these customers can be given a discount code that can be used on future purchases. This strategy can be highly effective in increasing the number of product reviews that an e-commerce business receives. Product reviews are valuable because they provide social proof and can show potential customers that other people are happy with the products that they have purchased. By increasing the number of product reviews, e-commerce businesses can make it more likely that potential customers will convert into paying customers. In conclusion, using Facebook ads to increase your product reviews is an easy and effective strategy. Not only is it cheap, but it's also a great way to boost your conversion rate. 6. Use Facebook's artificial intelligence. Facebook has been working hard to develop its AI system for Facebook ads. This system is designed to predict which users will take which actions, so that you can choose a marketing objective that is most likely to succeed. After years of development, this system has become very accurate and has brought many benefits to using Facebook ads. Because Facebook can now predict which people are most likely to take certain actions, you can target your ads more effectively and save money in the process. 7. Lookalike Audiences. Lookalike Audiences uses Facebook's artificial intelligence to generate new audiences based on a sample audience that you provide. This means that if you give Facebook a list of people who have already purchased something from your store, Facebook will create a new audience of people who are likely to behave similarly. This new audience is more likely to make a purchase from your store as well. Lookalike audiences can be created for various sample audiences, including people who have viewed your content but have not yet made a purchase. By utilizing this feature, you can lower your cost per content view and your cost per purchase. Facebook can even take the value of each event into account, so characteristics of people who have viewed content and later made a purchase will have a higher weight than people who have viewed content and left afterward. This is an extremely powerful tool for e-commerce store owners, as it allows you to target potential customers that are much more likely to convert into actual sales. If you're not using lookalike audiences, you're missing out on a great opportunity to grow your business. 8. Test different ad variations and find the best performing one. Facebook is always trying to develop new tools to help businesses be more profitable. One of these tools is the ability to test different ad variations and find the one that performs the best. When creating your ad under the Add Creative section, you can add options, variations, for all of your ad components. Facebook will then automatically test all of the combinations of options at the start of your campaign and gradually optimize towards the best performing one. This is an extremely useful tool that can help you save a lot of time and money by finding the most effective ad for your business. If you're not already using this tool, we recommend that you start testing different ad variations to see what works best for your business. 9. Track your ad campaign performance in real time. The Facebook Ads Manager is a powerful tool that allows you to track the performance of your ad campaigns in real time. This is valuable information that can help you determine which ads are profitable and which ones are not. In addition, the Facebook Ads Manager can help you understand why some ads are more successful than others. For example, some ads may attract people who are simply curious about your product, while others may generate genuine interest in your product that leads to more purchases. Either way, the Facebook Ads Manager is a valuable tool that can help you maximize the effectiveness of your ad campaigns. 10. Stop and start anytime. Another Facebook ads benefit is that you can start and stop your campaigns at any time. This flexibility allows you to adjust your campaigns based on your results. Additionally, Facebook provides the option to set up certain rules for your ads. For example, you can choose to automatically turn off an ad when a certain metric is underperforming. Or, you can increase your campaign's ad budget when the metrics are looking great. 11. Advertise on multiple platforms. If you're selling products through your e-commerce store, you might be considering using Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. However, you might not realize that you can also place ads on Instagram. Since Facebook owns Instagram, you can use the Facebook ads platform to create ads that will appear on the Instagram feed, in stories, and more. This gives you even more placement options for your ads, including on the Audience Network and Messenger platforms. If you're new to advertising with Facebook ads, you might not know where to place your ads for the best results. I recommend starting with the Facebook news feed and the Instagram feed. These are often the most popular ad placements and will give you good results. Just remember that you can also split up your ad set into 2 ad sets, with one targeting the Facebook news feed and the other targeting the Instagram feed. This will give you the best chance of reaching your target audience on both platforms. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.